goosebumps while listening to music, or when you're cold, or when someone tells you a story so intense? Your skin turns into a plugged chicken. Weird, right? Well, welcome to the ancient, slightly dramatic world of goosebumps, where your body thinks you are still a fuzzy cave human about to fight a saber-toothed tiger. Let me explain. Okay, before we dive in, yes, I owe you an apology. Last week's upload mysteriously vanished into the black hole of missed deadlines, aka life happened. But hey, I'm back, and today's episode, it's totally worth the wait. So let's dive in. Goosebumps happens because of tiny muscles in your skin called the erector pili. They are attached to your skin follicles, and when triggered, they pull the hairs upright. Imagine millions of little levers going, quick, 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 raise the hairs, we need to look scary. But why? Why does your body try to make you look like a puffed up porcupine? Let's rewind. Back when we had way more body hairs, this reaction actually served a purpose. If it was a cold, your hairs would stand up, trapping warm air close to your skin, acting as a natural insulation. And when you're scared or threatened, your hair would puff up to make you look bigger. Just like how cats fluff up their tails. So next time you get goosebumps from a horror story, that's your inner cave human yelling, brace yourself, it's danger. Even if the danger is just a Spotify playlist that hits too hard. So, today, we don't really need the hair raising defense, but the reflex still hangs around like an awkward evolutionary souvenir. You'll get goosebumps from cold weather, emotional reactions, fear or excitement, or even for a sudden memory flashbacks. The fun fact is, music-induced goosebumps are actually linked to dopamine release in the brain. Translation: your brain's like, oh wow, that hits deep. Let's reward them with chill bumps. That's how your brain thinks actually. So, the bonus fact is, you're more likely to get emotional goosebumps if you're highly empathetic. And dolphins and whales don't get goosebumps because they don't have any body hairs. The scientific name, piloerection. Yes, that's real, don't laugh. So the next time you catch yourself covered in goosebumps during a sad movie or while standing in the cold, just remember, your body's ancient security system is still online. And even if the saber-toothed tiger has been replaced. This was Little Things, where science meets story and curiosity gets its own coffee breaks. And fluff up your knowledge every week. If you have made it this far, you're officially part of the curiously chaotic crew. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because in this corner of internet, even little things lead to big wonders.